Hi mga ka-Dream Home! It's me again, Mary, your partner in finding the perfect house and lot here in Cavite. And today, may bago akong i-introduce sa inyo na sure ako magugustuhan nyo. Kasi ito ang new project sa Lancaster, New City located in Zone 1, the Leah House Model. Pero wait lang, bago tayo magsimula, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng house tours, real estate tips, at property investment na pwede mong pagpilian. And bago rin tayo magsimula sa house tour, panoorin nyo muna kung bakit napakagandang mag-invest dito sa Lancaster, New City. Para makita nyo mismo na hindi lang bahay ang makukuha nyo dito, kundi isang complete community na ready to support your dream lifestyle. Ngayon, let me ask you this, gusto mo bang tumigil na sa renta? O baka gusto mong mag-invest sa isang modern home na pasok sa budget? Or maybe naghahanap ka ng community na complete with schools, malls, at church all in one place? Kung yes ang sagot mo sa kahit isa dito, then stay with me hanggang dulo. Kasi I'll share 3 major reasons bakit perfect ang Leah para sa first-time home buyers.
A new city awaits. Only the best things await. In the family-friendly and master-planned community of Lancaster New City. Lancaster New City is strategically nestled within the province of Cavite, one of the fastest-growing provinces in the country, whose tranquil and spacious lands make for a peaceful yet dynamic life. It is the biggest township in Cavite, covering a vast 1,600 hectares of Imus, Kawit, and General Trias. You won't miss out on anything, as Lancaster New City is settled close to the metro's key business centers and international gateways. Major elevated road networks make it conveniently accessible for those traveling to and from metropolitan Manila. Lancaster New City is also conveniently close to the open canal exit of the soon-to-open Calax. In Lancaster New City, everything is within reach. It's a complete, all-in-one community, linking suburban living to essential commercial areas and primary business districts. Enjoy residences in a strategic location built to make your family's hopes and dreams come true. Lancaster New City homes with cozy modern Asian townhouses. Glenbrook at Lancaster New City with elegant modern Asian single attached houses. Nestled in the heart of Lancaster New City is St. Edward School, a leading educational institution that offers quality education in a safe and nurturing learning environment with modern facilities. Catering to the residents' essential lifestyle needs is The Square, a community mall with retail, dining, and entertainment establishments. Home to over 50 stores that provide everything you may need. Central Greens is a recreational and events venue with an open space that can comfortably contain crowds of up to 7,000 people. It's also conveniently placed just behind the square and is perfect for outdoor activities like concerts, fairs, and bazaars. Suntec iPark is the first campus-style office IT business park in Cavite that provides the residents of Lancaster New City employment opportunities in a creative working environment. Lancaster New City has its own place of worship with a unique architecture, the Parish of the Holy Family, that holds regular masses and traditional holy rituals such as weddings and simbang gabi. Layton Hall is the first clubhouse of Lancaster New City, complete with an outdoor pool, cafe, meeting room for business meetings, and Buckingham Hall, where you can hold events that can readily host up to 400 guests. Here, residents can enjoy their weekends swimming in the pool or drinking a warm cup of coffee in its comfortable and homey lobby. LNC grounds are community centers in different locations for the residents to easily access essential amenities. It usually includes a clubhouse, a swimming pool, a mini commercial area, a multi-purpose activity center, and function halls with a St. Edward School nearby. LNC Link is Lancaster's new city's exclusive internal and external transport system with air-conditioned buses equipped with GPS and card machine for cashless transactions, linking LNC's residents, guests, and those working within it to key areas like the Centennial Road, Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange or PITX, and Makati City. Families and communities thrive in Lancaster New City. There's excitement all year round as thrilling activities are constantly being held and celebrated. Lancaster New City is a family-friendly and dynamic city. Be a part of a thriving and vibrant township. Lancaster New City, where your family home goals are within reach.
Ayan mga ka-Dream Home, andito tayo ngayon sa Lancaster, New City at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang bago nating townhouse model, ang Lea Unit. Ito ay isang affordable 2-story townhouse na talagang swak para sa mga starting families at syempre sa mga OFW na gusto ng quality at budget-friendly home. Meron itong 40 square meters na floor area at 50 square meters na lot area. May 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and powder room at may provision pa for 1 car garage. Available din siya sa inner and lot at corner units depende sa kailangan nyo. And ang maganda pa dito, nakatayo ang Lea Unit sa isang complete community na may schools, church, shops at transport hub. At syempre, secured ka dahil may 24/7 roving guards. Alam ko, pinakaunang tanong lagi ng mga buyers, magkano ang monthly? Good news mga ka-Dream Home kasi itong Lea Unit ay super affordable. Dahil pre-selling pa siya at naka-introductory price, 22,000 lang per month ang hulog mo. Ito pa sa gusto ko sa Lea Unit ay yung location. Nasa loob kasi siya ng Lancaster, New City at only 30 to 45 minutes away lang mula MOA at PITX. Kung nagatrabaho ka sa Manila, Pasay o Makati, sobrang convenient pa rin. Tapos, dagdag peace of mind kasi flood-free at no fault line yung community. So, safe na, accessible pa. Mga ka-Dream Home, hindi lang to basta bahay ha. Ito rin na isang smart investment para sa future mo. Kasi habang pre-selling pa ang Lea Unit, mababa pa ang price. Pero once natapos na ang development, siguradong tataas ang value ng property mo. Kaya kung OFW ka o first-time home buyer, perfect timing na kumuha habang mababa pa. Ngayon, baka curious kayo. Saan ba itatayo ang mga Lea Units dito sa Lancaster? Makikita nyo sila dito mismo sa side ng model unit ng Zone 1, malapit lang sila sa amenities at main road. Kaya madali mong maa-access lahat ng kailangan mo. Hindi lang basta bahay ang mabibili mo, kundi yung tamang pwesto sa loob ng complete community. Alright mga ka-Dream Home, pasok tayo ngayon sa loob ng Lea Unit para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda at practical ang layout nito. Pagpasok pa lang natin, ito agad makikita nyo, ang living at dining area. Kung mapapansin nyo, maluwag ang ground floor ng Lea Unit. Smart ang pagkaka-layout, kaya na-maximize talaga yung space. Ngayon, punta tayo dito sa kitchen area. Nasa dulo siya sa ground floor at may sapat na space para sa countertop at cabinets. Pwede kang mag-personalize dito depende sa style mo. Modular cabinet, open shelves, or kahit simple lang. At sa tabi lang ng kitchen, meron tayong powder room. Maganda ito kasi convenient sa guest or quick use kapag nasa baba ka. Hindi mo na kailangan umakyat sa second floor. Ito pa ang isa sa gusto ko, ang service area. Maganda dito kasi upon turnover, pwede mo siyang ipa-close para maging mas functional. Pwede mo siyang gawing laundry area para maayos ang washing space mo. O kaya ay dirty kitchen kung gusto mong hiwalay ang lutuin sa main kitchen sa loob. Practical siya kasi dagdag space talaga para sa daily needs ng family. Ngayon ay akyat naman tayo sa second floor. Pagdating dito, meron tayong isang toilet and bath. Mas convenient kasi hindi mo na kailangang bumaba para gumamit, especially sa gabi. Pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng shower, enclosure para mas modern at mas ma-maximize ang space. Dito naman tayo sa first bedroom. Perfect ito bilang kids room, home office o guest room. Sakto ang laki niya for single bed at study table. Kung couple pa lang kayo, pwede rin itong gawing mini walk-in closet or hobby room. At ito naman ang pangalawang bedroom na pwede mong gawing master bedroom. Mas malaki siya compared sa first room at may mga modern windows na kasama na upon turnover. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan gumastos ng malaki for upgrades. Kasi maganda na yung natural lighting at preskong tignan. Pwede kang maglagay ng queen size bed at cabinets dito at may space ka pa para sa vanity or small workspace. So ayan mga ka-dream home, yan ang Lea House model sa Lancaster New City Zone 1. Affordable monthly, accessible location, at smart investment for your future. Kung first-time home buyer ka or even OFW looking for your family's forever home, this could be the start of your journey. Message me today for full details, free computation, and assistance. I'll guide you from reservation hanggang makalipat ka sa dream home mo. Don't wait until sold out ulit, kasi sa gantong projects, mabilis talaga maubos. This is Mary, your partner in real estate, saying, your dream home is just one decision away. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod kong house tours and property tips. See you on our next house tour!